Have you ever wondered how much money you've lost just by not knowing a few simple tricks? Not because of bad luck, not because you didn't have enough money, simply because no one ever taught you the simple tricks that make everyday life easier. The smartest people aren't the ones who spend the most. They're the ones who know how to spend less and get better results. That's why I created Triko Star. Here, you'll discover smart life hacks, home tips, cooking tricks, DIY repairs, travel and camping ideas, beauty hacks, and countless practical solutions that help you save money, solve everyday problems, and do more on your own. No complicated tutorials, no useless information, just simple, practical tricks that actually work. If you want to save money, learn valuable skills, and become a little smarter every single day, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Triko Star, and let's grow together.